You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce this plant name. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, including plant names that many get wrong, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Phragmites is the English pronunciation. Phragmites, not Phragmites, Phragmites. Now, the American English pronunciation, in the US, it's often pronounced as Phragmites with a flap T. That sounds like a D. Phragmites, US pronunciation, or Phragmites, English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.